Hello everybody, it's time for the first cold starts of 2026. I'm going to start out with the 2004 Chevrolet Silverado with the V6. In 2025, this had several leaks that needed to be fixed. First of which was the oil pan, a refrigerant line, and then the steering rack started leaking pretty bad. So had all three of those fixed last year. So first money I've really spent on the truck for semi-major repairs. So let's see how it starts today. Seems pretty good. The lights are on, so of course that's going to be a little dimmer. We have 132,767 miles. So overall, seems to be doing okay. Next on the list is the 2006 Toyota Tundra. It did pretty well throughout the year. I was forced to change the catalytic converter so I could pass the emissions test. But other than that, had no issues. Let's see what we're doing here. We'll give it a start up. Don't have my good key, so it's a little tricky. We're at 595,574 miles, and we're just about due an oil change. And of course it's excited to be started up again. That's what that exclamation point means, because other than that my tires have plenty of air in them. So get this one moved out. If I didn't mention on the 2004 when I started it, I'm moving all the vehicles out where I can take my Christmas lights down. So I got to get these out where I can back the Grand Marquee and the 81 Chevy to get access to the carport without damaging vehicles. Up next, let's start up the 2004 Mercury Grand Marquee. Gramps isn't driving as much as he used to by any means. So we're sitting at 123,125. And I'll have to go back to the first start of last year to see how many miles this has driven. Might have had 121,000, something like that. Maybe 122, I don't remember. But here we go. Couldn't tell you the last time this was started. Maybe this is Sunday, the 4th. And I want to say the previous Tuesday he went to the store. So, been almost a week. Get this backed out. That should be sufficient. I think the last time I started this up and backed it out is when I did the fall pressure washing in October. So that's been a minute. And I may not have mentioned it on the Grand Marquis. No issues all year out of that car. So let's finish up with the first cold starts of 2026 with the 81 Chevy Silverado. And I almost forgot to mention some issues with this one are still got to replace that belt in the cassette player. I've got a right turn signal indicator that will not illuminate, so probably the lamp's burned out. And while I'm in there, got this all out, I'll go ahead and pull the speedometer cable and oil it up with the appropriate lube, because it squeaks just a little bit in cold weather now. Of course, one pump to the floor. And it started. been exactly a week since I started it. It'll take it just a minute to smooth out and warm up a little bit. Get a little high idle going. Very good. And it is ready to go. So I can put it into gear almost instantly and it doesn't stall out. E-brake works, so get these Christmas lights taken down. Probably take this one for a little rip around the neighborhood just so it can get warmed up good. But other than that, we'll need some gas pretty soon. But everything is still here and able to be driven. So once again, first cold starts of 2026. Thank you for watching.